Hey everyone, welcome back to Bhavya Talks. It's been a long time since I've posted anything. Anyways, so I would like to begin this video by asking each one of you a question. So have you ever wondered as to why a 4 to 5 year child, be it a girl or a boy, who do not know, who have not been told to internalize the patriarchal norms of the society, they do not know anything about the gender norms, even then, through their games or through their activities, the childish activities they do, even these activities are indicative towards the fixed gender norms of the society. So for example, a female child is pretending to be the wife and she's cooking food, she's serving her husband with the food, and the male child is pretending to be the husband, wherein he is coming from the office really tired and asking for food. So here I'm talking about a general household. It's not that women are not going to jobs, but even after coming from the job, they have to do these basic household chores, because they have to, according to the society, they have to handle both the things. So even I did not question this until I came across a concept while studying psychology called the Oedipus and the Electra complex, which is given by Sigmund Freud. So I will begin by explaining the Oedipus complex. Electra complex is just the opposite of Oedipus complex. Oedipus complex is the male child goes through the Oedipus complex and the female child goes through the Electra complex. So what happens in an Oedipus complex is that the male child at the age of 4 to 5 years faces hostility towards his father and a feeling of love and affection towards his mother, right? Now what happens, he somewhat becomes really jealous of the father. For example, father after coming from the office and the mother, they both are chatting and they tell the child to go out, and because they need to talk, so somewhere the male child is becoming jealous of the father. I know this seems to be a bit funny, but this is a theory by Sigmund Freud. The male child is becoming jealous, and this complex is resolved only when the male child is able to understand the relationship between his mother and father. So when this complex is resolved, the male child begins to identify with his father and he considers his father to be his role model. That means the male child starts acting more like his father. The activities that are done by his father, he tries to, in order to get love and affection from his mother. And similarly, the female child this is called the Electra complex in the female children. So she faces hostility towards a mother and love and affection for her father. And similarly, when this complex is resolved in females as well, they begin to identify with their mothers, and their mothers become their role models, and they try to act like their mother in order to get the affection of the father. So these complexes are there, and that is why the male child and the female child at the age of 4 and 5, when they have no knowledge about these gender norms, they still act in a particular manner. Like, as I gave the example, like the male child is coming from the office and ordering basically if his father has the tendency to give orders, and the female child is becoming submissive if her mother is submissive. I'm just taking an example, it can be opposite as well. So this is a theory behind what goes into the mind of a 4 to 5 year male and a female child when they are doing their activities. And this also tells us the importance of a general neutral education that is followed in Scandinavian countries like Norway and Sweden, Denmark, where the children from a very, very young age are given a gender neutral education. They, for example, they are given with both male and female children are given with dolls, cars, Superman. They can play with anything that they want to. So yeah, that's it. Please do tell me if you liked this video and if you got anything out of it. Thank you.